Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Nissan Titan spare tire. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. Gather your essential tools, the jack, lug wrench, and the spare tire crank handle. These are usually found in a storage compartment inside your truck. Knowing where these tools are before you start will save you time and effort during the process. Now, locate the small access hole, often found above the rear bumper or license plate. Insert the square end of your spare tire crank handle into this opening. Begin turning the crank handle counterclockwise. You will feel the spare tire slowly descend from its undercarriage mounting. Keep turning until the tire is fully lowered and resting flat on the ground, with the cable completely slack. With the spare tire now on the ground, gently slide it out from underneath your Nissan Titan. You will notice a retaining plate or holder in the center of the wheel, which secures the tire to the lowering cable. Carefully remove this plate by manipulating it through the wheel's center hole. Once the plate is free, you can easily detach the cable from the spare tire itself. Now that you have removed the spare, you will need to store your flat or damaged tire. If possible, place it in the spare tire's original undercarriage location. Reattach the retaining plate to the cable and crank it back up clockwise until it is snug against the vehicle's underside. Finally, ensure all your tools, including the jack and lug wrench, are securely stored in their proper compartments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.